So in this video I'm just demonstrating some challenges we're having currently with the mobile shop shaker here that we've recently purchased, the K2004E01. I have an accelerometer here which I am visualizing on this display here. This is my accelerometer measurement in time domain here. I can look at that also in frequency domain. It's currently sitting on the accelerometer calibrator, which is producing 159.2 Hertz sine wave, and you can see that the behavior of the accelerometer is as expected. We have a very dominant peak at 159.2 Hertz. These cursors are not yet snapping to data values. We've got 1 Hertz resolution, so the closest I can get is 159 Hertz. I could also use this calibrator to set the level of the accelerometer, set the sensitivity of the accelerometer. The point being that the accelerometer is behaving well. If I now put the accelerometer instead onto the shaker, so I'll stop the shaker from vibrating, move the accelerometer across to the shaker, using beeswax to connect it. Now it's vibrating. Probably can't quite see it in the video because of the frame rate, but it's connected to the front of the shaker. I come back to the acquisition system. Now I'm using an outputted sinusoidal waveform from the source control. That's this plot here. I've teed that back into the acquisition system on a separate channel, so you can see that sine wave is perfectly sinusoidal looking output signal going to the shaker at 40 Hertz and 0.05 volts, which is what we see here. If I, however, look at the output from the shaker measured by the accelerometer, which is on this mini view, and also I can change this view down here to show the output from the shaker in the time domain, it's a very horrible looking sine wave, very, very nasty looking sine wave, lots of distortion, still periodic. So of course if we look at the frequency spectrum, we expect to see a fundamental peak at the, I've got some extra cursors on here at the moment, which I could perhaps just remove all those cursors and put a cursor on, a harmonic cursor I can use here. Double click this one, move this to 40 Hertz. Obviously all of these harmonics here are significant. We don't expect to see those for a high quality shaker. We expect a little bit of a square profile, not perfectly sinusoidal. It's a mechanical system, so there we expect a few harmonics, but not such a horrible looking curve that we have such high level harmonics at the first, second, third harmonic, travelling all the way up the spectrum, which indicates a very square looking sine wave. So we have only recently received this shaker, hasn't seen a lot of use, but I'm obviously quite concerned that that's the nature of the sine wave. I can't hear any rattling, it feels okay, but the signal that we're measuring with the accelerometer is very bad. I hope this video has been useful. Hopefully we can resolve the problem we're having with this device. Thank you.